Well, we're here on the outside of the building, and the first thing we do when we meet with our client, we go over what is called the home inspection agreement. A home inspection agreement will explain to them what we're there to do. At the end of the inspection, the home inspection agreement will be part of the home inspection package. On the outside of the house, what we do is we take a look at the condition of the siding, the shutters, the storm windows. We take a look at the storm doors, even the lights on the exterior, make sure they're in good shape and functional. We do take a look at the steps. It's very important because if a step is not built correctly, it could be a trip hazard. We make sure that the rise and the treads are all the same size. If not, that can become a trip hazard problem. If we see 3 steps or more, we like to recommend a railing for safety reasons. We take a look at the grading. We want to make sure that the land is pitched away from the house. If it was pitched toward the house, that would create a puddling, a pooling, and that would cause water to enter the basement, flooding, and so forth. So that's a very important thing. We look at the bushes as well, not the condition of the bushes. We're concerned with whether the bushes and trees actually touch the house. If so, that would be an attraction to insects and to wood rot problems. We take a look at walkways, driveways, all of the exterior areas as well. Now, as you can see, I have binoculars. We also take a look at the roof. And if the roof pitch is steep, we can't walk on the roof. It's dangerous for the inspector, and it's not good for the condition for the roof itself, for the material. So we take a look at the roof with binoculars, and we can see what the condition of the materials are. Well, let's take a look at the back of this house. We have a deck on the back of the home, and I'm going to show you what we look for when it comes to decks. Well, it's very important to inspect the deck as well. And on the deck, we take a look at the railings. We make sure the railings are at least 36 inches in height. It's also important to make sure the balusters are no more than 4 inches apart, actually a little less than 4 inches. Then we check the deck joists and make sure that they have metal joist hangers, and we make sure the deck is bolted to the house.